Today we're going to be doing an honest workflow review of this After Effects plugin which automates your editing workflow, helping you edit videos 10 times faster. Let's go. Alright guys, shout out my boy Asim. He just sent me over his newest plugin called Clutch. Now this plugin's really skinny. You can see if I full screen it, it just goes into the corner over here, but you can see it has a bunch of different buttons and we're gonna be going over all of them. And I think it's a really unique application. Shout out to Asim for sending this over. Let's dive straight in. So first things first is each of these buttons does an individual function or automation process for After Effects. Let's start off first with simple adjustment layers. This button right here at the top, if you click it, it automatically creates an adjustment layer. And the cool thing about it is it actually makes the adjustment layer the exact length of whatever clip you're selected. And if you don't want it to be the length of just one of your clips, you can just go ahead and click off of any of the clips and then click the adjustment layer button, and it makes the adjustment layer the length of your entire video right here. Now obviously there's a bunch of easy effects right here, you know, like the text layer, you can just click it, it automatically applies a text right here which you can edit. There's like a lot of simple stuff in here, but one of the ones that stood out to me the most was the automatic camera tracking. So you can actually go ahead and literally do a 3D camera track with just the click of a button. So you can see I select my clip and I click 3D camera tracking, and boom, just like that, it automatically starts the entire process. And now I know this is a very simple workflow. Obviously you can do it in After Effects standalone, but I literally have full tutorials and still people to this day will comment on my videos or DM me on Instagram like, oh, how do you do camera tracking? Obviously the camera track failed right now because my composition setting is not correct, but it's really cool the fact that I can just do a lot of these After Effects processes literally with just the click of a button. So you can see I'm just clicking buttons and it's doing a lot of these things in After Effects would have taken me, you know, maybe 3 or 4 clicks. And I know it sounds simple, but over time, if you add it up, you know, every time if you want to make an adjustment layer, you have to right click it and, or sorry, where is it? It's over here. I think it's layer, and then you hit new, and then you make a new adjustment layer. Like all this stuff takes time. And the fact that you can just do this in one click like this, boom, instantly you just get a adjustment layer. I think it's really helpful, especially if you're counting and you add up all those little microseconds that it takes you to do all these effects. Let's go ahead and delete this camera tracker. Another cool thing about this is that it has this built-in custom keyframe Bezier. So this is kind of similar to the Flow plugin, but actually I never had the Flow plugin ever in my entire After Effects career, funny enough. So this plugin is going to be my first Bezier keyframe plugin, which is kind of fun. But let's go ahead and do something. Let's make a text animation, right? So I just click text and I'm gonna scale this up, and let's try to like do some, you know, simple animation. Let's go ahead and, you know, maybe start the animation right here. We'll start position, keyframe, and then I'm gonna do something really basic, and then I'll like move it up, or we'll start it down. Yeah, let's do this. Okay, so we have this like slide in text animation. It looks super trash, but if I click on this graph right here, you can see all these keyframes get pretty annoying, and it can be very time consuming to, you know, custom keyframe a lot of keyframes yourself. So first thing is you right click and you separate the dimensions, and now let's click the Bezier keyframe. I can literally just click this, select these keyframes right here, and then I click Bezier, and boom, instantly I'm getting these really clean curves that just makes it super easy for me to not have to go in and like, you know, code everything myself or keyframe everything myself, and then I can go ahead and make adjustments from there, and boom, now our text animation looks so much smoother. This is really, really helpful, to be honest, in my opinion. Another cool feature about this is that you can literally save frames from your music videos. So I don't know about you, but I've often had issues with finding the file path locations of where these screenshots go inside of After Effects on my computer. I don't know, maybe it's just a Mac issue, but with this one, I can literally just click the save button, and then it'll automatically save your screenshot as a PNG, a JPEG, wherever you want in your computer. And it makes it really easy to just grab quick screenshots of your plugin. Make sure the frame rate, the quality is always set to full so that you get the full quality of that frame. And yeah, like I said, there's a bunch of other cool stuff in here. You can, you know, create lights, you can create cameras if you're making any 3D compositions. Another cool thing is that you can literally pre-comp things in just one click. So if I select some clips, I can just go ahead and pre-comp them together right here using the pre-comp button, and boom, instantly pre-comped. That way I don't have to, you know, right click it and then click the pre-comp button, 2 whole clicks saved. I know it sounds simple, but I'm telling you, this saves a lot of time when you add it up, especially if you're editing a lot. And there's also a bunch of other buttons over here. You can get to exports really quickly by just clicking the export button. You don't have to go hit send to media encoder, say add to render queue, and then save the file path. It just does all these steps for you. It's actually a really genius plugin. The more you think about it, you're like, oh my gosh, this is so simple, but it actually does save a lot of time. So just want to do a quick review of this plugin. I honestly think it's pretty helpful. It is linked down below. Yes, it is a paid plugin, but the cool thing is it's a one-time price paid plugin. So it's not like a lot of subscription stuff, SaaS-based stuff these days. But anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below in the comments or reach out to Asim at his Instagram. I've also linked down to it below in the description. Hopefully you found this video helpful. Now, if you want to learn how you can automatically edit music videos 10 times faster using AI inside of Premiere Pro, then you can check out this video linked right here.